Chicken 65. Samosas, a delightful fusion of everyone's favorite South Asian fried chicken wrapped up in a crispy pastry. Let's dive into the culinary adventure. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. To begin, we marinate 1 kilo of small diced chicken in a flavorful blend. This includes 1 tablespoon each of salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, garlic and ginger powder, and turmeric powder. Additionally, a tablespoon of curry leaves, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red food coloring, and 4 tablespoons of rice flour join the mix. As we stir this concoction, 1 tablespoon of oil is introduced, ensuring a thorough coat. Transitioning to the frying process, a deep pan awaits with oil for frying. Carefully adding the marinated chicken in small batches, we ensure not to overcrowd the pot. Frying in 3 batches, the chicken attains a golden hue within minutes. The key is to drain off any excess oil and let them cool completely. Now on to crafting the onion mix. In a large pan, half a cup of oil is heated to medium. Into this, 5 large sliced onions, about 500 grams, are sautéed until translucent, an artful process taking approximately 20 minutes. Once perfection is achieved, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds make their entrance. Followed by a quick addition of a tablespoon of chili flakes. The star of the show, 4 crushed fresh chilies, and the spotlight stealing 2 tablespoons of curry leaves join for an additional 2 minutes of sautéing. After draining the excess oil in a colander, the mixture cools down. Returning to the now cooled chicken, the onion mixture is added, and the stage is set for the supporting cast. This includes 2 whole sliced and chopped red peppers, a whole bunch of coriander finely chopped in the food processor, and the juice from a whole squeezed lemon. A thorough mix brings this symphony of flavors together. Now let's concoct the Samosa Glue, a smooth paste made from 4 tablespoons of plain flour and half a cup of water. It's time to shape the samosas. A tablespoon of the filling is placed at the end of the samosa pastry. Neatly folded, and the ends sealed with the samosa glue. If you didn't get the first time, it'll show it again. This recipe yields about 60 filled samosas, perfect for freezing and frying as needed. Frying these samosas in a medium heated pan or air frying them delivers outstanding results. Make sure the oil is medium or you will burn the outside and keep the middle cold, especially when frying from frozen. Any excess oil is gently shaken off. The result? Chicken 65 samosas. An exceptionally crispy outer layer, encapsulating an absolutely delicious center, perfect for your party appetizer list. These samosas can be prepared in advance and frozen for quick frying when needed. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. I trust you relish the recipe and look forward to having you back for more. Don't forget to share where you're watching from. We recently had a viewer from Calgary, Canada. Happy cooking!